Good afternoon. This is Mike with Compass Heating and Air. We just got finished completing a repair on a refrigerant line that was leaking up at a ceiling. But this is a 10-year-old city multi installed in a warehouse setting, so you use it year round. You can see there, this is what your quote outdoor unit would look like. This is a heat pump, so it does heating and cooling both. You have zoned heating and cooling in the different spaces. You see here's a 3x3 cassette in the ceiling. Over here, right now we're testing it in the heating mode. So you have your air comes up through the middle, blows out 4 directions on these particular ones. Here in a minute I'll show you the one-way cassettes. The hallway does have a ducted unit up in the ceiling, which they use for the hallway over here in the section, and primarily it's set up for the bathroom area, blow air into there. These are a couple more of the 3x3 cassettes for this particular classroom. Each of the classrooms, aside from this one, have one cassette. It just depends on the size of the room and the layout, how they want to have it done. You can see in here. Oh, there you are. It's another cassette. Nice and quiet, so the classroom is not being disturbed by loud noise through the ductwork. You're also not getting noise from other classrooms that would typically be off of the same ductwork. This is one of the one-way cassettes. Same features as far as noise levels and that sort of thing. Let's get this guy. And here we are, another classroom with one 3x3 cassette. There are some units in a Mitsubishi lineup that you do simultaneous heating and cooling. This particular unit being, it is a 10-year-old system. I'm just here for a repair, but you can do simultaneous heating and cooling, and everyone will be able to have their own comfortable temperature. So whether you're an office building, school, training facility like we're at today, City Multi is a fantastic option. Our company did not install this particular one. Just wanted to kind of get everything out for people that are here at City Multi. Most people aren't going to know what you're talking about, but it is a Mitsubishi ductless system, and there are ducted sections that you can put in as well, just like we have here for the bathroom. We were out here doing a repair, and we're all good to go now. So this is Mike with Compass Heating and Air. Have a great afternoon.